This is the Bluboo R1, the first large phone for the Bluboo company. It is a 5.5-inch screen in the front side, and you can see the front camera here. And also we got the lights for the bottom. Also comes to the slots. We got the headset slots here, and infrared rate here. Also we got this is a custom bottom and SOS bottom, and a USB-C slots for the charging. Also, this light is the power button and the voice up and down bottoms. For the back side, it is a flashlight here, the camera, which is the 221 MP, and this is the fingerprint ID. And this one it is a special connector for the different part for another outside functional. And this is for the cards. The card slot, a special one, easier to open. Also, as you can see here, it is an IP68. It has this IP68 certification, and we have the wireless charging here. It's very important, and with the NFC functional. Okay, back to our systems. It is a phone with the MT6755 autocode chipset, and it is an Android 7.0 systems. It is have 5 GB RAM and 64 GB RAM with a huge batteries, which is 7,150 mAh. This is the wireless charging, the back side. You can put on top, and you will see it's charging. The charging lights is lighting. It's working now, which is very convenient for a large phone. We don't need to open the shield very often, which also means can protect the phones for the long-term use. So it comes to the R2 model for Bluboo. Firstly, I would like to mention it is not a final mock-up for this model. The final ID, we will not have the dual camera, but we have one camera and one fingerprint ID right there. And also you can see is a flashlight here. And as you can see, it is also a large phone. Of course, we have the IP68 certification. Also, you can check for the downside. It is the charging slot, USB slots, and come to this side. We have a card slot here, and with the metal part. Comes to the top side. It is for the headset. And for this side is the power bottom and the volt bottoms. And this is the latest informs for this model, because this model will be launching around the July, at the end of the July. So hope you we have two standard for this phone. One is R2. We means this is measured for the 3G. It is with 6588 MT chips and Android 7.0 system. Also, it is a 5.3 HD screen and with 3,500 mAh batteries. And for the R2 Pro, which can be has a 4G network, it will with the MT6737 chipset, also with Android 7.0. It is 2 GB RAM and 16 GB ROM. It had dual SIM and dual standby function, and the real camera is 8.0 MP and from the camera is 5.0 MP. Also, it has have 3,500 mAh batteries.